These two people you are seeing here now, they have died. Hassan, one of the people where they do business in Hebridge or Bogun, where Nigerian NAFDAC came and do evil work. Look at how these young boys died. I'm telling you the truth. Many family men die, almost all family men then die because of what NAFDAC did. Some of them BP, some of them stroke, some of them faint and die like that because of what evil work. Christian Yoruba woman, what did he come do in Igbo land? He destroyed people's future. He destroyed people's destiny, and people die like that. NAFDAC, not gonna come take their body. There are more than 20-something people. Their pictures still coming. Their pictures is still coming. NAFDAC, make gonna come take their body. Wicked people, make gonna come take their bodies. Christian, the letter of NAFDAC, come take their bodies. Many people died. Many people died because of the evil work NAFDAC did at Obogu. Many people died. This is only two pictures. More than 20-something people died. BP killed them. Some stroke. Some just faint like that. Because of the evil work the director of NAFDAC, Christiana, did in Onitsha. And many people are dying on a rebellion of people. And we have somebody that called himself governor of Anambra state. He couldn't do anything. He couldn't do anything. Governor Soludo is a very shameful thing to you. Now Peter Obi, former governor of Anambra state, he is the one that came to Hebridge or Bogu, and he told NAFDAC people, no be na so na they do, no be so they do am. The owner of the shop supposed to be there. They open shop, but this one we say NAFDAC we enter people's shop, carry soldiers, armored tanker, full everywhere, soldiers everywhere. They are entering people's shop, breaking people's shop, carrying everything. And some people left their money inside the shop. Everything was disappeared. Everything was taken away. Many people are collapsing. Many people are dying. Some stroke. And even till today, 3 months now, NAFDAC still lock people's shop. So either 700,000 naira or 500,000 naira. You pay money, they will open your shop for you. You came to the people's shop, you took their goods. You took all their goods, you stole their money and even stole their goods. And you are telling them that they will pay money before they will enter their shop. What kind of wickedness is this? What kind of wickedness is this? Now these two people have died now. Bring those pictures of those people who died. Bring their pictures. All those people that collapse and die because of the evil work NAFDAC did in Obogu. Send me their pictures. I will still do a banner, big banner. I will still carry it come out of market. Send me their pictures. Send me their pictures. I have said it before. All those 20-something people that died, I will put their pictures in banner. I will take it to go to market to show the world the evil work NAFDAC did at Onitsha. They no do the same thing in Jos. They no do the same thing in the northern part of Nigeria. But the Igbo land here where they come do evil work. And somebody that he call himself governor, who call himself prof, he couldn't come out, secure his people. Now before I land this message, listen to me. I'm not against NAFDAC. I'm in support of NAFDAC to fight against fake drug and all these people that are producing fake drink. I'm in support of that. But what NAFDAC did in Onitsha is evil.